you're all feeling gold and great. Today we are making the best high protein healthy smoothie you will ever try. I promise you that with just a few simple ingredients, this one is super sweet. Honestly, it tastes like a dessert, but high protein and healthy. Let's get blending. So quickly zooming through our ingredients here, starting with the wet ingredients. The base of this smoothie is about a cup of banana. This is some frozen banana I have just been accumulating here, so I scoop out a cup of that. You will need some ice. You will need some almond milk. I use a vanilla unsweetened. You can go ahead and use sweetened if you like that better. Some natural smooth almond butter, as well as some pure vanilla extract. On to our dry ingredients here. We will need a few Medjoul dates. We will be using some cocoa powder, as well as some ground cinnamon. Moving into our protein options here. These are 3 protein options that I seem to alternate and like the best. This first one here is just some simply egg whites. About a 1/3 cup of egg whites is equivalent to about 10 grams of protein. Moving into 100% egg white powder. This one I have been loving lately. I got this one the most recent, but I feel it really works in any sort of baking and blending smoothie recipes. Very much tasteless, and it's just that straight protein. If you're adding it into a baked recipe or a smoothie or something like that, very, very pure and neutral. And as well, this pumpkin seed protein powder, great for smoothies, very neutral taste. This one is a little bit higher in fat. That's just the difference between these two. This one is a little higher in healthy fats because of the pumpkin seed, whereas this one is low fat, low carb, almost no fat, and absolutely no carb. This one is straight protein. 16 grams of protein per serving for the egg white protein, and about 9.5 for the pumpkin seed protein. And then lastly, for our blending mechanism, I am using the Magic Bullet. I love my Magic Bullet, and I think it works so good for just a single serving smoothie. Go on and use your full-size blender if you are making a batch of smoothies or serving a few people. Double this recipe, but I will have the Magic Bullet linked in the description box below, as well as a few of these protein options, and whatever other of these ingredients I can find links to, I will link in the description box below for you guys to click and check out from there. Now with that, let's get to blending. Okay guys, starting with our empty blender cup, it's easiest to use this because you can just pop that blender top on, put it right on the bullet, and then serve your smoothie right out of the cup. Make it and serve it all in one, less dishes, less water, you know, all the rest. Starting with the empty cup, adding in our 1 cup or so of frozen banana. Next, adding in 3 ice cubes. About a tablespoon of some smooth almond butter, a teaspoon of our vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, about a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I usually use about 2 bigger sized Medjoul Dates, juicy Medjoul Dates, but these are a little bit smaller, the ones I got, so I'm using 3 today. Remembering to remove that pit in the inside, just breaking those up slightly and popping those in. I find it's easier to blend if you break them up into pieces, and even if you have the chance to soak them beforehand, all of that aids in an easier blending of all of the ingredients. Adding in a tablespoon or so of cocoa powder. Adding in a scoop of your choice of protein. I am using the 100% pure egg white protein powder. Such a neutral taste. This one works really well in smoothies and baking. I am first adding in a 1/2 cup of water, and then topping the rest up with some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Taking the bullet blade here, popping on the lid, and we will blend everything up. I like to give everything a good shake in the bullet first, just to mix everything up a little bit before blending all together. It just ensures that everything is mixed up and nothing is sticking to the outside of the cup. That seems good, and now we will blend. And again, of course, you can use your standard blender. I just like this one because it's super, super easy for a single serving smoothie. So again, I will have this linked, this machine, the Magic Bullet machine, linked in the description box below, an Amazon link straight to this blender if you guys wanted to grab that, as well as all of the protein options that I showed you guys, and some of the ingredients, whatever ingredients I can find, links available, I will link those below. Alright guys, and obviously the exciting part now, all that's left is to serve and enjoy. So go on and pour your smoothie up into a decent sized glass, because this, even though it's a single serving, it could almost make two. You could have half now, half later, but this is a healthy and protein packed smoothie right here. This could almost supplement as a meal. So go ahead and pour that up into a tall glass of your choice. And enjoy. Alright guys, so that is it. That is our super simple, super sweet, healthy, high protein smoothie recipe. I hope you guys love this one. Let me know in the comments below if you try this one and how you like it. So much more coming. I love this one for a sweet treat, a meal replacement, something I can take on the go. This one is delicious. I love you guys infinity and always, and I will see you in the Sunday video, the Sunday vlog. Until then, stay healthy, fit, gold, and beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment down below if you guys like this recipe, how you like it, and I will see you in the vlog. Mwah. Bye guys.